Our business is Drone Spray. We're located in Christchurch, servicing the whole greater Canterbury. We do weed spraying, crop spraying, roof cleaning. So our drone can carry 16 litres of fluid, so yeah, we can actually cover quite a large area. We can do broad acre spraying or crop spraying, so you can do up to 10 hectares an hour. Started the business because just saw huge potential in the market, just with the way factors like sustainability and is going, and the technology is just growing and growing, so we can see in 5-10 years that most things will be sprayed by drones. So getting in the front door early and getting some market share. We use a tool called Pix4D. So with Pix4D we're able to fly our small drone above an area and take a whole series of photos, and those are stitched together to create one map. Our drone is mainly fully autonomous for most jobs, so with those maps we can draw a spray plan and have it very accurate, and we can let the farmer know exactly where we've sprayed and how much we've put on. We're also able to create 3D models with it, so with a 3D model the drone can tell what height it's flying at and actually fly above bushes without crashing into them. And so we can spray some quite hilly areas and just rest assured that our drone won't crash into the hill or the ground or a tree. So using our surveys we can fully pre-program a route, so the drone knows exactly where it's going, how high to fly sometimes, and it will do everything while I'm filling up the next tank and charging the batteries. With that we can get a very accurate spray pattern and even delivery. Our website for us is like a bit of a digital billboard, so we're able to have people get a good idea of our services and what they are. So photos and content is pretty key for us to, I guess, prove that we can do what we say we can do. And then also deliver all the specifics on our service, so just about how we spray, what we can do, what are limitations, and also how to contact us and book a job. We built our website using WordPress, so it's all been built in-house, and with the back end of WordPress it's really easy to manage the content and update. Our main advertising budget is on Google AdWords, so we want to make sure that we're at the top of Google for research that involves us. Our Google AdWords links to our website, so we can track where from a click where someone's gone and come to, and if they've clicked on a call to action, whether it's be email or phone. So that allows us to track what keywords do well and what don't, and get a better return for our money. I've got a pretty terrible memory, so LastPass is pretty key for what we do. All of our passwords are on there, and I know it's secure because every time I load up my computer or do it, I've got to put my master password in. It just means that we can use a different password for every website. So if one is compromised, they don't have all of our details for every website that we go to. I found Digital Boost, I think, through an ad on Google. Thought it would be worth checking out. One area of the Digital Boost platform we found quite useful was the checkable site. We use that for just determining where our website's at and what features it has and doesn't have, and areas we can improve on. So I think from that we've seen an increase in our search results, which is quite good for bringing business in for us.